Start. A vehicle, whether be it a motor car, bus, three-wheeler, scooter, or a small scooty, transports one or more individuals from one place to the other. Once passengers occupants of the vehicles have been taken to their destination, the vehicle in question has to be parked. This requires a lot of space, a lot of planning, a lot of infrastructure, and a lot of money. The tendency of individuals is to save as much money as possible and not pay anything for parking. Till the late 1970s, motor cars were the prerogative of the rich. Most people who could afford motor cars lived in houses with driveways and garages. But as the economy of the country has improved and the earning capacity of people has risen, there are more and more vehicles on the road. At the same time, due to paucity of space and the astronomical rise in land prices, the size of dwelling houses has become smaller and smaller. The biggest casualty in this conflict between increasing number of cars, dwindling availability of land is parking space for vehicles even in those houses which had garages. These were converted to rooms utilized for other purposes. Then cars started getting parked in driveways, but as the number of members of the households expanded from driveways, the cars have now spilled over to the roads outside the house. This is not the only problem. The municipal authorities, for reasons best known to them, without carrying out any study with regard to the carrying capacity of the colonies, areas, towns, cities, metropolises, are permitting additional construction, including additional floors in these colonies. Setbacks are being decreased or abolished. The constructed area is rising vertically and horizontally. Resultantly, where about 50 years ago there was a single story house with one family and one car, there is now a four-story structure, if not higher, with maybe 8 flats and 16 cars, if not more. This has created many problems, and one of the most serious problems is that of parking. The golden rule is love neighbor. Today, the social fabric of neighborhoods is being torn asunder because of the fights over this most petty issue of parking of vehicles. Therefore, we feel there is a need to pass a detailed order on a mundane issue like Parliament because this may impact town planning. Proper parking policies will also lead to less population, less crime, and a better and more dignified life which every citizen is entitled to under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Full stop.